bump going fast, that front will just eat it, and then the back will be like,
Yeah.
yeah. But if you have reservoirs in the back, it's like fucking, it's the same.
Well, we're gonna find out because these are way softer.
What?
These are super soft compared to the Bilsteins. You saw how easy I could push them down.
Yeah.
But then they go back up quick.
Yeah.
So it's like the opposite. They work the opposite of the shock.
Yeah, the rebound rate's fast.
Yeah, that one's probably good for towing because when it wants to go down, it doesn't go.
Yeah.
But then when it goes to rebound up, it fucking just flies up when I hit a fucking bump. It feels super stiff, I'm not gonna lie, when I go over a bump.
Alright, I'm almost done. I gotta grab this shit.
The other side.
Hell yeah. Let me show you this back truck. You know what? I think they did that like that so the shock doesn't bend, to be honest.
Always in this.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this up here. Because I don't want it to. I can see it. It's just, I'm trying to get it to go up without breaking it. Or scratching it.
Yeah, you're scratching it.
I might be strong enough to push it up right here. This is all video.
Huh? It needs to be higher.
Yo, I fucking forgot I had to do the rear. These guys are not hard.
What happened?
So I pushed that shit in by hand to get it into the fucking axle. I think I should have jacked up the truck and dropped the axle to put it in, but whatever.
It's way faster than the front.
Yeah, I mean, if you're
Wait till I
already
see a
done,
thing
that
on
shit
there that says this side passenger. I'm like, fuck. Hey,
You should just go drive around like this and be like, man, this side's way better than that side.
I can't see the. I know the valving is.